Hi there, and welcome to Thunkable, the drag and drop app building platform. Today, we're going to discuss downloading your Thunkable project to your iOS device. Start by going to the Download and Publish menu and clicking Download iOS. Enter your email address in the pop-up box and click Send. You'll see a text box pop up with an estimated wait time before you receive a download link for this project. Once your iOS app has been built, you will receive an email with a link to download the project to your iOS device. You can see what this email looks like on a desktop here. So we have instructions for how to download it to your iOS device and a big button that says click here to download. You will need to open this email on your iOS device to download the app directly to the device. So here I have opened the email on an iPhone and I click the button that says click here to download, and I'm going to open this link with Google Chrome. Here we can see another button that says download, and when I click it, I click install. And now when I go to my home screen, I can see that the app is loading and installing. If this is your first time downloading a Thunkable project to your iOS device, when you click the app to open it, you will see this dialog that says Untrusted Enterprise Developer. This is letting you know that this app was not downloaded directly from the App Store. You will have to trust Thunkable in your device settings to continue installing this app. So here in Device Settings, we're going to General. We're scrolling down to Device Management. We click Thunkable Inc. and we click Trust Thunkable Inc. and click Trust in this dialog that pops up. Now when we return to the home screen and open our app again, you'll see that we're able to open it up and test out our Thunkable app directly on the device. Please note that you can only have one Thunkable app downloaded to your iOS device at a time. If you download a new Thunkable app while you have one already installed on your iOS device, the old app will be replaced with the new app. If you totally uninstall the Thunkable project that you have downloaded to your iOS device, you'll have to trust Thunkable again when you next download an app directly from Thunkable to your iOS device. Thunkable projects can be downloaded to iPhones and iPads, and testing your app directly on the device gives you a better impression of what your end user will experience when they download your app from the App Store. And that's everything there is to know about downloading your Thunkable app to your iOS device. Thank you so much for watching, and as ever, thanks for thunking.